Hey everybody, Jake here with another quick and simple trick for you guys. This is a replacement part for home appliances such as a washer or dryer. It's all metal and it has a stud coming off of it. This one has 1/4 20 threads, but you can also get them with 3/8 16 threads like this one. These are used to adjust the height of appliances. Because they have the threaded studs coming off of them, we can use these threaded pipe inserts in combination with them to actually have an adjustable base on the bottom of EMT conduit builds just like this. It's really easy to do. First, you want to pick up some of these threaded pipe inserts. I recommend that you get the ones with the lip, as that'll help keep the stud from going farther up and pushing the insert farther in, because this lip sits on the outside of the conduit and it works great. I definitely recommend the option with the lip. You can insert those in the conduit with a hammer, or you can also use a vise if the conduit stub is short enough. There's also a specialty tool that we like to use to install these. It makes it super simple, and we did a video on it, which I'll link down below in case you're interested in checking it out. But once you get the inserts in the conduit, simply thread on the foot and adjust it to the exact height and measurement that you want for your build. Super simple trick, and I found this locally at Ace Hardware. It's a pretty universal replacement part, so check Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace Hardware, places like that, and you shouldn't have any issues finding them. This one's pretty basic, but I have seen some with rubber on the bottom. There's also some with smaller diameters and a smaller footprint. I've even seen some that have had ball joints on them so you can adjust the foot to different angles, which is really cool too. So it's a great trick. You can add an adjustable base to the bottom of your conduit builds really easily. Thanks so much guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.